Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to install Ubuntu on Mac and run dual boot Linux on Intel based Macs. Firstly, before starting, make sure you have a USB flash drive, an Ethernet adapter, a USB keyboard and mouse, and at least 25 GB of free storage on your Mac. Go to Apple menu, System Settings, General, Storage, then check Available Space. Even though dual booting shouldn't delete files, it's always best to have a full backup. Now you'll need two new partitions, one for Ubuntu and one for Swapface, about half of your RAM size. Now open Disk Utility, then click View. Show all devices and select your main drive, then click Partition. Click plus and create a partition named Ubuntu, format MS-DOS FAT32 and aside space, then click Apply. Repeat to create another partition named Swap, also MS-DOS FAT with size equal to half your RAM, then click Apply again. If the plus button is grayed out, turn off File Vault by going to System Settings, Privacy and Security, File Vault and turn it off. Now the REFIND helps your Mac recognize Linux during boot. So, disable System Integrity Protection by restarting your Mac. Hold the Command plus R button until recovery mode loads. In the menu bar, go to Utilities, then Terminal, and type CSRUTIL disable. Then restart your Mac. Now download the REFIND from its official site and open Terminal and drag the file into it. Press Return and enter your admin password, then hit Return again. And once installed, re-enable SIP by rebooting recovery and try in the CSRUTIL enable. And next time you restart, you'll see the REFIND menu showing both macOS and Ubuntu after installation. Now, download Ubuntu from the official website and download the Balena Etcher. Open Etcher and click Select Image, then choose your Ubuntu ISO file. Insert your USB drive, then click Flash, and enter your Mac password when prompted. When it says Flash Complete, eject the USB safely. Now, if your Mac was released between 2018 to 2020, it's likely that it has a T2 chip. Restart it and hold the Command plus R to enter recovery mode, then open Utilities, then go to Startup Security Utility and enter your admin password. Set Secure Boot to No Security and allow boot media, allow it from external or removable media, then restart normally. Now plug in your Ubuntu USB drive and restart and hold the option until boot options appear. Select EFI boot and this will load Ubuntu. Once the Ubuntu desktop, you can test it. It runs from USB and may be slow. Now finally, double-click Install Ubuntu on the desktop. Choose your language, select normal installation, and when asked about installation type, choose Install Ubuntu alongside macOS. Select partition you created earlier, then follow the prompts to complete installation. After that, REFIND will let you choose macOS or Ubuntu each time you start your Mac. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.